Brecon Beacons again. In this video I'm going to be joined by two other YouTubers. I'll introduce you to them later. I've got some new kit to show you that I received for Christmas. It's due to drop down below -3 tonight, so something a bit special on this one, guys. Cold winter camping. Let's crack on. So this is the new kit I got, guys. I received it for Christmas off my stepdaughter. It's from Brecon. It's the pack cell set, the pack of 3. I think at the time it cost 30 quid. I got my warm clothing in the top one. Centre one is my shelter kit, and in there I got my electronics. See, wicked, to be honest. You can cinch them down on the back so they don't take up too much room, and you've got these carry handles on both ends. This pack here goes inside my webbing, so it's just a matter of reaching in and ripping out. I have ordered the labels to go on there so I can label them. Unfortunately they don't come with the packs. You've got to get them separate at £11.99. They're a tough leather, and you just mark them with a permanent marker. I'm happy with them anyway, guys. Really happy. So I've had to make up some more proof stick knots, right? This is how you put them on. Round the back. Comes through once. Twice. Smarten it up. And that's your proof stick knot there. Grips on. If you want to slide it, you can. It's as simple as that. I'll show you how I tie them now. So I got a length of bank line of 15 inches. I cross over like I'm tying a bow, and I come the other way, tying a bow again. So there's your square, and put them together. So that's your square knot, and we'll use this loop to make the proof stick knot on the ridge line. Okay, so the shelter setup, I've taken into consideration obviously the direction of the wind. So the wind is coming that way. So that's a British Army Basha, as you can see, but what I've done is going out to the back. So I've closed the back off. Easily done. I'll show you another video if you want me to. If you do, put down in the comments. So the back is closed off in the direction of the wind. So there it is. The boys have arrived. I'll take you around to introduce you to them in a bit. You have seen them before. Two ugly bastards. There you go. So there's a bit of a gap there. I can patch it up if I want to with some logs and things. We'll see now. But I am hoping to put my firebox in front there. So next to go into the shelter, before anything else, is my German Army sleep pad. So the last thing to go in the shelter now is my sleep system. Here it is. Gonk bag or bivvy bag, British Army. I've modernised mine on the centre, if you haven't seen before. Medium weight sleeping bag, and underneath the sleeping bag a 3/4 mat. Don't put it inside the sleeping bag, put it underneath. So there you go. Can't get better than that. I say I'm blocked off from the wind. Got a cracking sleeping bag, bivvy bag. Happy days. Don't leave home without it, guys. mandatory piss bottle. So I got some IPAs, guys. They're not the strongest, but I got 4. That's a lot for me, but you got to consider driving home in the mornings, haven't you? You know, you don't want to be over the limit, like. So here they are, look, the fun-loving criminals. Yeah. So you got Gab here.
Cheers, everyone.
Boys in the Wood. Check out the channel, obviously. You all know this fella here.
Alright guys, how are we doing?
The Welsh Wanderer.
Belated Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to you. And we've also got Graham down the back here. We'll introduce him to a bit later. He was a late arrival, so he's setting up there now. Once he's all set up, we're going to have a word with him. Out. There's Graham set up here in the hammock. I'll introduce you to Graham in a bit. We're just going to have a look at Gaz tent. So here's Dawes' set up, the Welsh Wanderer. Of course we're all having a communal there. Yeah, so first time for Dawes to use a ridgeline. So I've just given him a few tips on auto locking it here. Prusik knots. You do need to use a different diameter cordage, but you can get away with it. He's done a good job, fair play to him. Well done, Dawes boy. And that's the envelope basher. So he's using half his basher as a ground sheet. So that's what's called an envelope basher.
God, so is the violence for you, Dawes?
Fire's going well, guys.
We just have a joke.
Fire's going well. It's kicking off some meat too.
Shit! Have you got one? Yeah.
8.4, guys. That's strong, innit, for a beer, like.
Like 8 hours charge time.
8.4. What's it called? Butterfly photo bomb. Time for scran, guys. Steak. Standard, isn't it?
I'm too young and willing to it as well.
Here's my scran cook, guys. 16-ounce steak. So we got here, guys. My last one, because of driving home in the morning, see? Marzen Fest. 5.6. That'll do. Right, guys, it's 2100 hours, 9 PM. So I'm just going to get inside the shelter now. That green light there is obviously Siloom. Yeah, so I'm going to jump in there now. I'll speak to you when I'm inside. So for a pillow, I use my Brecon. And I put my jacket on top. That's my pillow. Right, guys, I'm in the fart sack. Nice and warm. I say I got my medium weight sleeping bag, which is ample, with the Gore-Tex bag, see? So I'm going to get my head down now, and I'll speak to you a lot in the morning. So hope you had a lovely night, and if I get up through the night, I'll give you an update. Good night, guys. Sleep tight. It's 12 o'clock it is, guys, midnight. I'm going to be quiet now, see if we can hear Dawes snoring. Can you hear that? It's like a fucking tractor. So I'm just going to have a brew now under the Basha. Let's see the boys and things then. Only Dawes is up. Dawes has been up all fucking night coughing and fucking farting and what's the other one? Snoring. Is a boy I. We had a cracking night though, me, Dawes, Graham and Gare. Really good night, guys. We didn't go mad on the beers as well, which is a good thing. Because the drive home, see boys and girls. Yeah, so gotta be sensible. Yeah, but cracking camp to end the year. Awesome, guys. So this shelter, guys, this Basha setup, it's freaking awesome. As you can see, I've got the one end, the foot end, blocked off, and that's the way the wind is coming, I'll say again. Bloody brilliant. I could have put the ridgeline a bit lower, so we're skirting the floor closer. But all in all, very good shelter. There's bags of room in here. You get 3 in here easy, believe it or not. It's like a 3-man tent. Something worth pointing out for you here, guys. So that's my shelter kit. That's housing a British Army Basha. No problem with the ridgeline and stakes. You're not fighting with it. So it fits in there absolutely perfect. Right guys, I don't see. So yeah. So I'm all squared away. I sanitised the area. Just seen Gaz is up, okay. Boys in the wood, he's up. So I'm just going to tab out now. And wish you all, let me turn the camera around. Wish you all happy new year. Smash your goals in 2026, guys. Go for it. And as they say, peace out, sauerkraut. Boom!